Max, firstly, I would like to commend you and your entire group's efforts to actually raise awareness about this Palestine and Israel issue, and I'm sure that your contributions have actually helped in saving countless lives of the Palestinian people. So I wanted to ask you a question over here, that what inspiration should other groups take from your efforts?
Listen, one thing I really want to make clear to your audience is that Israeli weapons are everyone's problem. The biggest purchaser of Elbit weapons is Modi. The Elbit drones, as we all enjoy our coffee right now, are buzzing over the entirety of the Kashmir region. The occupation of Kashmir would not be possible without Elbit weapons. This is a global problem. Israel's worldwide role in repressive regimes cannot be overstated, and without these weapons, they would not be able to prosecute these occupations.
Yes.
Wherever there is complicity, wherever there are companies doing business with Elbit, we all have a responsibility to disrupt that business, to sabotage that business if necessary. People, nothing can ever be the same after October 7th. Just like your audience, I've spent the last 13 months watching the most horrific images show up every day on my screens. Something has to stop. We have to stop protesting the way we've been protesting. We have to change our efforts and escalate our efforts to really make a difference here.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।